Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making a video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 86 video, 93rd video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called the secret of guidance. This topic, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called highlights to recall. So friends, this is 140 number video. So let us see what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Remember that the subconscious mind has determined the success and wonderful achievement of all great scientists workers. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling we should always remember that our subconscious mind have always determined the wonderful and the achievement of the great scientific work, friends. Okay, by giving your conscious attention and devotion to the solution for a perplexing problem. So, it's about giving the attention and devotion to the solution of the perplexing problem, friends. Okay, your subconscious mind gather all the necessary information and present it full blown to the conscious mind. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling our subconscious mind gathers all the information and present it to our full blown conscious mind, friends. Okay, if you are wondering about the answer to a problem, try to solve it objectively. So this is a very big statement, friends. Okay, so your author Joseph Murphy is telling that if we are wondering of answer to a problem, so we should solve it objectively, friends. Okay, get all the information you can from the research and also from others. So we should always get all the information from the research and also from the other, friends. Okay, if no answer comes, turn it over to your subconscious mind prior to sleep. So your author Asimov is telling that if no answer comes, we should turn it over our subconscious mind to prior to sleep. Okay, and the answer always come, it never fails. So your author Asimov is telling the answer always come and it never fails, friends. Okay, you do not always get the answer overnight. So your author Asimov is telling that we also always do not get the answer overnight. Keep on turning your request over to your subconscious until the day breaks and the shadow flee away. So your author Asimov is telling we should always keep the answer turning to our subconscious mind until the day break and the shadows flee away, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. You delay the answer by thinking it will take a long time or that it is a major problem. So we always delay the answer by thinking it is going to take long time or it is a major problem, friends. Okay, your subconscious has no problem, it knows only the answer. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling this our subconscious have no problem and it only knows what is the answer, friends. Okay, believe that you have the answer now. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we should always believe that we have the answer now, friends. Okay, feel the joy of the answer and the way you would feel if you had the perfect answer. So we should always feel the joy of answer and we should always feel the way we would feel when we will get the perfect answer, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Your subconscious will respond to your feelings. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that our subconscious is always going to respond to our feelings, friends. Okay, any mental picture backed by faith and perseverance will come to pass through the miracle working power of your subconscious. So, your author of is telling any mental picture baked on the faith and the perseverance will come through the miracle working of our subconscious mind, friends. Okay, trust it, believe in its power and wonders will happen as you pray. So we should always trust it and believe it in its power and we should know that wonders will happen as it pray, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Your subconscious is the storehouse of memory. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that our subconscious mind is the storehouse of the memory, friends. Okay, and within the subconscious are recorded all your experiences since childhood, and within our subconscious all the experience since our childhood is recorded, friends. Okay, so this also Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. Scientists meditating on ancient scroll temples, fossil, etc. So author Joseph Murphy is telling scientists meditating on ancient scroll temple, fossil, etc. friends. Okay, are able to reconstruct scene of the past and make them alive today. So they are able to reconstruct the scene of a past and they are able to make it alive today, friends. Okay, their subconscious mind comes to their aid. So the author of some of is telling that their subconscious mind comes to their aid, friends. Okay, turn over your request for a solution to your subconscious prior to sleep. So your author of some of is telling that we should turn over the request to our subconscious mind prior to the sleep, friends. Okay, trust it and believe in it and the answer will come. So friends, the author Rasamov is telling we should always trust it and believe in it and the answer will definitely come, friends. Okay, so this author Rasamov is telling to us in this topic. It knows all, sees all, but you must not doubt or question its power. So the author Rasamov is telling that it knows what it sees and all the information, but we should never doubt or place a question in front of our subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Rasamov is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, the action is your thought. So your author Rasamov is telling the action is always our thought, friends. Okay, and the reaction is the response of your subconscious mind. So your author Rasamov is telling the action is our thought and the reaction is the response of our subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Rasamov is telling to us in this topic. If your thought are wise, your action and decision will be wise. So he author some of is telling that if your our action are wise, if our thoughts are wise, then the action and decision will also be wise, friends. Okay, so this author some of is telling to us in this topic. Guidance comes as feeling. So your author some of is telling guidance comes always as feeling. Okay, an inner awareness, an overpowering hunch here, whereby you know that you know. So your author some of is telling the inner awareness and the overpowering hunch whereby is that which we know, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. It is an inner sense of touch, follow it. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling that it is an inner sense of touch and we should always follow it, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. So friends, our today's topic came to an end. In our today's topic I have covered a concept called highlights to recall this topic, friends. Okay, and friends, in our next topic I am going to start a new chapter and the name of this chapter is your subconscious and the wonder of sleep, this topic, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.